Nadia, we can't hear you. Yeah, because you are muted too. I see you are already muted yourself too. So you need, yeah.
Now we're good.
Now it's good. I was like, what the heck?
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't realize it was muted. You know, I was like, oh, all right. So I'm gonna mute you guys. You guys can hear me now, right? Everyone? Okay. So I'm gonna mute you guys, and I'm gonna do this training, and let's get started. Okay. So guys, today I'm gonna. Okay, let me start over. Today I'm going to show you guys how to start creating branded quotes, because when it comes to branding yourself, these are the things you guys are going to need to start doing. So you want to post motivational stuff. You want to have your domain name, whatever names you have. Like for me, it's www.nadiasobrati.com. That's me. So the thing is, you can go to GoDaddy, all right, and you can create your own name that you want to use. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to create branded quotes, and it's very simple to do. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Canva. All right. And this is free. I mean, I'm paying $14 a month, but you guys can do this for free, and you don't have to pay the $14 a month. And I'll show you guys how to get background images and how to do everything, because it's really simple to do. Actually, Jazz, I'll unmute you guys, so you guys can probably ask questions. We only have 6 people on here, so. All right, so let's say. All right, I'll mute. Okay, guys, so look, these are, you could create images for Twitter posts, Facebook ads, blog, Instagram, all right? These are all the images I've created for, my Twitter lead machine. I know it's a lot, but this is what I'm gonna teach you guys how to do today, all right? So I'm gonna do, let's say I'm gonna do a post for Twitter, all right? So you wanna click on this. And let's say, you want to use a background image, and you don't, know how to do a background image. All you have to do is open up another browser and you do background images. All right, see guys, look how many background images there are so many different types of background images you can use. All right, there's a lot of background images. Look at this, there's so many. So you could pick any color you want. You can pick any color. For me, I'm gonna start, I'm gonna use this one. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna right click, all right, and then you wanna save image, okay? This is how you're gonna save the image right there. And then what you wanna do is now, you wanna upload the image on here. Whoops. Images, where is it? See, I have a lot of images on here. And these are images that I downloaded. So I'm gonna use, this is the one. Okay. And what you could do is, so this is how you're gonna like, you know, create the text, all right? So, but before that, I wanna show you how to get motivational quotes. So you wanna go Google motivational quotes, like right here. All right, guys, and look, there's so many. Look how many motivational quotes. See, there are a lot of motivational quotes. So you can pick any one of these that you want. It could be anything you want to post. You know, as long as it's motivating and it's going to start inspiring others, this is what you want to do, all right? So I already have a quote that I'm actually going to be using. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you how you're going to create this, all right? So I'm going to use something really motivating, like entrepreneur is, you know, is someone who jumps out of a cliff and builds a plane on the way down. So I think that's a pretty good quote, right? What do you guys think? Well, you guys are muted. Okay, so let's create this now. Let me see, Jim. All right, guys, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna show you how you can do this. All right, so look, these are different fonts you can use, different designs if you want to. Let's say you wanna use something like this. See, you could use that. But actually, I wanna change the color. I wanna put it in white so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Okay, so look at this. You can go down here, guys. Look at this. You can go down here and you can choose any one you want. Whichever design you like, you can go down here and you can choose any one, you know. For me, I'm probably going to use something simple. Something simple. Let's see. And you know, you can even change the colors as well. You can even change the colors. So it's up to you what you guys want to do, how you want to brand your quotes, what colors you want to use, and that type of stuff. All right? I'm trying to find something. Okay. See, this looks good like that right here. You want to put it in the middle so you can center it. Right. All right. And if you guys want to change the color, all you have to do is this. All you have to do is you can change the color this way. So look how simple this is to do. I mean, you know, when I first started, I went to Canva and had all my stuff designed because I had no idea how to do this, guys. And it took me, believe it or not, it took me a while to actually figure out how to do this stuff. And look how simple it is. It's so simple, you know? It's so simple. But we're going to go with white. I'm going to use the white one. White. All right, see how good that looks? Look right there, you can just center it right there. And what I'm actually gonna do is, guys, you can use any picture that you want, you can actually use that in there. So for me, I'm gonna use this one. And listen, you guys can go to Canva, right? And you can have your image cropped out because it looks more professional. So look at this one. This is one of my images. See, I went to Canva and I paid $5 and they crop this out. And the great thing about when they crop it out like this, You can use the same image on so many, you know, images. You can use the same picture in so many images. And guys, listen to this. You're gonna need to start creating images, you know, for when you start running ads on your fan page. So this is perfect. You can have a nice professional picture of yourself, right? And you can just like, you know, you can just use them like that. Look how simple it is to create this. See, it's so simple to do. It's so simple to do. Actually, I want to put that right there. See, that looks good like that, right? Or maybe we could bring it down a little more. This looks good, right, guys? And then what you want to do now, you want to add your domain name or your blog. Let's say you have a link that's linked to your blog. For me, it's www.nadiasobrati.com. You want to put that right here, all right? So this is how you want to do this. You're going to put www.nadiasobrati.com. But, you know, you guys are going to use your own names, you know, but this is something you want to go to GoDaddy and get this done because, listen, once you get a blog later on and you get your blog set up, you're going to need, because you obviously are going to need a blog, all right, to start branding yourself. But what I'm showing you is really simple to do, and you guys could start, you know, doing that right now. All right, and you want to change the colors. You can, you know, change it. You can change it to pink, or you can change it to any color you want. You know, you can change it to pink. You can change it to white. See how simple this is, and you can move this around anywhere that you wanted to. But I think right here is probably would be good. See? See, guys, how simple? Look how simple that is to create images. You know, you can do a lot of things. You can definitely do a lot of things with this. Hey guys, any questions? I have 9 people on here.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I was just kind of curious. Can you? My Wi-Fi is not working, and it's just freezing. Can you? What was it? Canva or Canvo?
Canva, C-A-N-V-A.
Okay.
Canva. And you know what? You don't have to pay for the $14 a month what I'm paying. I'm paying that because I have a lot of, look, I'm going to show you what I'm paying for. See, I get all these free background images, so I don't have to like upload them, you know, on Google. But I showed you guys how to do it on Google, which is free, so you don't have to pay any money. You know, so you could use this without paying any money and start creating your own images. But listen, guys, don't just go to any website and get your domain name, okay? Make sure you go to GoDaddy.com because you're gonna need this. Because, you know, later on, we're gonna show you guys how to set up your blog and how to link everything. So that's why I'm letting you guys know this now. Because when I first got started, no one told me, right, that how, you know, I'm supposed to like go to GoDaddy. So I went to different places and I got so many different domain names, and I couldn't use them because I couldn't use it with my blog. So this is why I want you guys to, you know, when you're gonna get, you know, your domain name and you start branding yourself, this is what you can do. And guys, you know, it's good to use your name, okay? So whatever your names are, do www. You know, and your name, your first name and last name.com, because you're branding yourself. All right, don't list any businesses. Don't list any business on your name because you're not branding any business or any opportunity that you guys are doing. You're branding yourself. So this is why this is so important that, you know, when you start, you know, branding yourself, because you want people to know who you are. You want people to know your name. So when you guys start going live and all of this stuff, you're not going to do, you're not going to talk about your products because you're going to be doing attraction marketing. So this is branding. This is a branded quote. And this is how you guys should start branding yourself. Do you guys find this kind of difficult though, or you find it easy to learn?
Easy. Oh, for me personally, Nadia, this dad.
I can't hear you, Danielle. And you know what you guys can do too? You can also put hashtags, but that's for a different thing. You don't need to put the hashtags right now. But if you're like branding yourself on Twitter, right, and doing branded quotes, you want to have at least 3 hashtags. And we'll get to that point because you guys are really new right now in this business. So I'm going to take baby steps with you guys and teach you everything. You know, Jazz and I and Alan, we're going to teach you guys little at a time so you don't get overwhelmed with all of this stuff. But the point is, you know, we want you guys to start branding yourself. So this is an easy way. Guys, listen, even if you have like other pictures, like I have other pictures in here. Let me show you. Look, I have other pictures in here. Where are they? Look, I have other pictures. So you could use any image. But listen, if you want to like start doing ads and start running ads on you know, your fan page, you want to get something professional. You know, have them crop out the picture, okay? And you can use this same picture for everything, for any different ads or whatever. You see, I have other pictures. I use all these other pictures, but they're not cropped out. You know, I use this one like if I'm going to run an ad, you know, on the fan page. And then, you know, we'll show you guys how to create ads also, but this is just the beginning stage. So we want to take, you know, show you guys one training at a time. And, you know, for the next 7 days, we're all going to be teaching you guys how to brand yourself. So what do you guys think?
Well, Nadia, it's Daniel again. I'm just kind of curious. Is there any way that you can show me how to? I've already got a PDF logo that was created by a contractor. But what I'm having issues with is being able to post it like the way that you put your brand or your what was it URL?
Yeah.
On your photos. I'm having difficulty putting like anything on it. Like I don't really know. Like, do you have any suggestions on how I might be able to what?
Did you get your logo transparent? Like whoever did it, because it has to be transparent if you want to put it on an image like this.
Well, I got it in 2 different formats. One's a PDF, and one I can't remember the other one. The image alone doesn't have any of the writing on it.
Yeah, but you know what, Danielle? Don't even worry about your logo right now because that's not even important. I have my logo because I got it created for me. My friend created it for free, and that's when I first got into this business. I really didn't know what I was doing, and I thought I needed a logo. But you don't need a logo because you're branding yourself. You don't need a logo. You're just branding yourself. Have you noticed a lot of, you know, the network marketers and business owners, they don't have their logo anywhere in their banners? They don't, because we don't, you know, and the ones that you see that have the logo on there, we were new or they're new people that had no idea. That's why, you know, I'm doing this training for you guys. So don't even worry about that logo right now because you don't need it. You don't need it.
Understood.
Thank you. You don't need it. I have 2 logos. I don't use it. Because I wasted money on it. But when I started learning more about branding myself, I learned that you don't need a logo because you're branding yourself. Now, if you have a business and you're branding the business, then yes, I can see, all right, you want to have your logo there, but you're branding yourself. We're doing attraction marketing. Let me unmute Jazz. Hey, Jazz, any questions? I wonder oh my gosh, I didn't realize Miguel. Okay, guys, let me see who else I have. Okay, Miguel, you're like unmuted. Miguel, you're unmuted. You can talk.
Oh, no, yeah, it's great information. I actually didn't know about this.
Really?
Made it look so simple.
It is, you know, Miguel, seriously, it took me like I was frustrated. It took me 3-4 hours to create my first after someone taught me this because I wasn't technical. Now I'm creating hundreds of them, you know, for Twitter and all of this stuff. But, you know, it's very simple to do. It's very simple. Let me show you. You can create so much stuff. Look, they have background images. You see, I'm paying $14 a month because I get all of this. But,
Nadia?
Yeah?
I have everything is free. I never pay a penny on this.
Well, I don't want to.
I have like over 400 course I branded, created for Twitter Reader Machine,
Yeah,
but
I know.
it's
But
never
you know
paid
what?
zero,
Listen.
penny.
It takes me a long time having to download each image.
Yeah.
I was like, forget about this. I just paid the $14. And for me, it was easier. Because
No, they have so much free. They already have so much free. They don't have to pay anyway.
But anyway, I'm paying $14 a month. And then, if I want, look at these. You could pay $1 for these, but I don't pay for anything.
Yeah.
I just use what I have, but I'm paying $14 a month for this. And so let me show you how you save it now. But here, guys, you can look how clean this looks. Doesn't this look clean?
Nadia, I have a question.
Sure.
Okay, you said you go through the same company to crop your picture out?
Fiverr.
Okay.
You can write that down.
Okay.
Because guys, you're branding yourself.
Right.
And it's gonna cost a little bit of money here and there if you want yourself to look professional and for other people to look at you when you start building your audience. This is what's gonna attract everyone. So you wanna make sure, everything is done professionally done. But look, you guys, you can create your own images. For me, I was spending a lot of money in the beginning because I didn't know how to do this.
If someone is really good in a computer, they can do their own, even cropping the pictures, Nadia. Yeah. Because in PowerPoint, you can do in PowerPoint. That's how I done my own. I never pay, like I said, to penny to anybody else. So the one I have my profile picture and my banners, I done it myself. You can do in PowerPoint. It's free.
Yeah, but I don't know. Listen, I tried cropping my own pictures and it didn't come out good.
Well, someone is good in a computer, so that's what I said before. Exactly. If someone is really techy good, then you can do it.
Yeah, but listen, guys, if you guys
keep trying, you can.
I don't care about that, Jazz. I'd rather pay and outsource it.
Yeah.
It's easy for me. But no, I create my own images. But guys, this is what you can do. If you guys are not good at the computer and good at cropping out images, you can just go to Canva and you can get one done for $5 and you can use it over and over and over and over.
Yeah.
Create all your images and save money. So, look how simple this was. This is a branded quote. Jazz, it looks good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks awesome. I'm just kind of curious. You mentioned that this is more targeted for Twitter. Do you have any suggestions?
No. You can post this on Facebook. This is like a Twitter layout because I like the way it is. But I use, you could use the Facebook one too, the size of the Facebook ones.
Well, you mentioned like the hashtags for Twitter and everything, but I was curious. Do you have any suggestions for LinkedIn? Because quite honestly, I don't use Twitter all that much, and I'm trying to utilize LinkedIn because it's it's more like job oriented or career oriented, and I want to be able to attract people.
Okay, let me show you how to save this, and then I'm going to do another image and show you how to do one for LinkedIn.
Awesome.
All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so now guys, you want to save this. You guys can see me, right? You want to save this here. So you want to do a JPG, okay? Because I have tried all the others and none of them work for me. And then you want to download it. All right? So this is going to be saving. And it's easy to upload this. So this is already saved. It takes some time. And I'm going to show you guys how to create one for LinkedIn. Okay, look how clean that looks. So that's saved already. All right, now we're going to do one for LinkedIn. You're going to click here, and then you see how many they have? Look. All right, they have a lot. Let's see, where's LinkedIn?
Yeah, because every social media have a different dimensions.
I know.
Dimensions, yeah, like Instagram have a different dimension.
You need a certain size. Look, this is for like a LinkedIn banner right here.
Right.
But we're not creating a LinkedIn banner.
It's on the top. One more in the top, Nadia. Move on the top. Here? I see one on the top.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right.
This one.
Yeah.
You can use this one. And again, if you go to our background images on Google, you right click, you save the image, right? And then it will be on your upload over here. And you can use any of these. Okay? But I'm going to use one of the background images that I'm paying for. See, so you can use any color, guys. Look at all the colors. A lot of colors. What color you guys want to use? Pink? We'll use pink. I like pink. All right, so this one will be for LinkedIn. So you can create a nice image for LinkedIn, right? And because it's the perfect size. So then, you know, let's try a different picture. So guys, it's so easy to upload your pictures because what you can do when you start sharing your pictures on Facebook, you save it the same way. You right click and you click save image and it's going to save. So then when you're ready to upload everything, you just click upload and you upload your image. All right. So let's try something else. Let's see. We'll try this one. See, this one is not cropped out, but it works as well. So I'm not saying you guys have to get all your pictures cropped out. You can use different images you want of yourself, but you want to have a picture of yourself. You don't want to do a picture of your family, your friends, group pictures, none of that. You want to do a picture with yourself because you're branding yourself. All right. And let's see. I'm going to do maybe the same thing, right? What do you guys think?
It's very easy system, everyone. Very easy.
No.
Just to play around like kids, really.
You have to play around with it, guys.
Yeah, I love doing it, and that's like artwork, you know. It's like you're doing artwork.
Oh my God, I got 10 minutes. So I got 10 minutes. Let's do this really quick. Okay, entrepreneurs, someone who jumps off a cliff and builds a plane on the way down. I love this quote. I really do, because this pretty much, I spelled this wrong. Yeah, guys, it will take you some time to get this, but you actually want to play around with it. You want to play around with it, you know? Right, so this is cool. We could probably make this a little smaller. I think this is good like that. So this is another branded quote, and you can use this on LinkedIn. All right. Wait, you know, this is too big. So let's make this a little smaller. All right, a little smaller. You could put that right here. Okay, look at this. See, guys, look how simple that is. Voila, that's a branded quote. See how simple? All of you guys can do this. What do you guys think?
Honestly, I wish I had met y'all like a lot sooner, because again, a lot of the mistakes that I made, sort of like what you were saying, you know, I thought that because I was having difficulty with trying to create these images myself, that I needed to outsource it. But I mean, you're making it look so easy.
You know what, guys? I spent so much money in outsourcing because when I first started this business 7 months ago, my friend Chud showed me, but it wasn't registering because I had no technical knowledge. I had to learn fast. So I know, even though it's so simple to do, it's not that really simple for everyone. So don't feel bad. This is something, it's going to take you guys some time to play around with it and start getting to learn how to do this. But you guys want to start branding yourself. And this is the way to do a simple branding, how to brand yourself.
Yeah, you're doing something different from other world, whatever other people posting. Not everybody posts like this, okay?
Exactly, guys. You want to be different. You don't want to be like everybody else. You want to attract your audience.
Right.
And people are going to start watching you once you start attracting them. All right. It takes some time to build an audience, but you need to do this correctly, like the way Jazz and I are doing it. That's why we have an audience now. This didn't happen overnight with us. It took a lot of hours for us working to build an audience the way it is now. That's why, we want to teach you guys how to do all these things, because I personally want you guys to be successful. And this is the way to do it. So this was our first lesson in branded quotes. So you guys should start playing around with it and try to start creating, some branded quotes and start posting it on your Facebook page. And then, we'll show you guys, we'll do another training and show you guys how to start prospecting on Facebook to build your audience. All right? How does that sound?
Awesome.
Sounds wonderful.
There was someone, Nadia, someone was asking about the hashtag on LinkedIn. I want to make a little
Go ahead.
note here. LinkedIn do not need any hashtag. If you want to put a hashtag, it goes with a keyword hashtag. On LinkedIn, it does not work like Instagram hashtags or Facebook hashtag or Twitter hashtag. It's totally different. LinkedIn works with keyword hashtag. Okay, just remember that.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys are good with the training? I'm gonna save this. So I'm gonna save this and put it in International Home Business. That group that you all are in, because that's the training group where we're gonna educate you guys. So you guys can always go back in there and look at this video.
Okay.
All right. So
Yes, I was just gonna ask about that too. So thank you.
You're welcome. I'm recording it right now.
Well, it just seems like you're always 2 steps ahead of me.
Well, I know. Listen, you see where you guys are right now? Guys, I was right there 7 months ago.
Yeah.
Jazz and I were right there 7 months ago.
Yeah.
I'd be like, oh my God, Jazz, how do I do this?
But really, everyone, we work really, really hard, more than 12, 16 hours a day. Seriously.
7 days a week, guys.
Yeah.
At this point. We were just laser focused. We're like, all right, this is what we got to do, And you guys can do it. But see how simple it is? It's very simple. And, guys, start doing branded quotes. Start putting yourself out there.
You don't have to do 10 a day. Just do create 3. Post 3 a day. That's it.
That's
At
it.
least you're putting something out there. At least your audience is seeing you as you, who you are. Okay?
That's it, guys. So listen, thank you all so much for being here for the training.
Thank you, Nadia.
You're welcome, Jazz. Thank you all for joining, on this training. I'm going
Good
to
job.
wrap this up because it's almost an hour. Wow, it's almost an hour?
Right.
Time went by so fast and I just showed you guys how to create 2 images. I can't believe that. But I'm saving this now because actually I'm going to post this on LinkedIn right now. So I'm going to save this, guys, and I'm going to post it in the groups for you guys, okay?
Yeah, if you already saving all those images in one folder, okay?
Yes.
After 1 month, 2 months, you can repeat that once and nobody knows.
Exactly. You want to save them. And nobody's going to know. It takes time
Yeah.
to do these things. I don't know why it's not saving.
Just X out.
Yeah, it's saved down there, I guess, because I have to browser. Okay, guys, I'm going to X out here. So I'm happy you guys learned a lot today on how to create your own branded quotes and how to create images. And don't worry, guys, you're on the right path. So listen, let me make this really clear. Make sure you write down GoDaddy.com. That's where you're going to get your name. okay? And you want to use your name. Or you can use something like www.workwithmiguel or
Oh, yeah.
www.workwithtammy or www.tammybrown.com. All right, guys? Something like that, because you're branding you.
Right.
All righty.
All right? Love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I have to work. I'll talk to you all later.
You
All right,
too.
have a good
Bye-bye.
day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye, Nadia. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.